I'm gonna show you guys again how I turned this design into this right here. Now, we started off with the picture of this kid's face, right? Boom, I crowned my guy up, right? Put King on there. I went ahead and threw Africa behind me. Clipping mask in my program. Half of the face is cut off, everything right there. Because I covered my guy's eye up. So now you don't really know who it is. I do want this to look like me a little bit. So what I did was I scribbled on a little beard. You know what I'm saying? I just scribbled on a little beard, covered it up. As you guys are seeing right before your eyes is the design already digitized and everything like that, right? This is how exactly how it stitches out. I think it looks nice, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to be quiet and let it go and do its thing. So we got the black one right there. We got the white one right there.